The diagram shows a parallelogram. The sides of the angles in degrees are 2x, 3x minus 15, 2x, and 2x plus 24 degrees. Work out the value of x. Okay, so let's just have a look at this then. So let's just carry this line up here. I'll just do a little sketch with a digital pen. This angle, this is parallel, isn't it? And this to this line. So this angle in here is going to be the same as it is here. So these two add up to 180. So we can do that then. So here, 2x plus this angle here, the 3x minus 15, must equal the 180. So we get 5x equals, move the 15 over to plus 15, 180 plus 15 is 195. So then x, move the 5 from times on this side down to divide on the other. 195 over 5. Double it, that's 390 when you double it. 380 plus 10 is 390. Over 10. Now we can divide by 10 easily, and that's 39 degrees. Is the value of x. X equals 39. 39 degrees.